Alright, welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can power on your fridge in Rust. So what we'll need to do is basically have some power source. So for this video I'm going to show you how you can do that with solar panels, and you will need a battery. So let's take a small battery for now, and what we'll need to do is basically place a solar panel on your roof or somewhere else, and basically place to the sun. And after that take electric output to your base. After that I will put small right here battery for the tutorial, and right now I will power in to the small battery, and for the power output I will go to the fridge right here, and as you can see, as you can hear, it basically works. It is pretty quiet, but it has that buzzing sound, so you'll hear it. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you power on your fridge in Rust. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.